Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a 40mm lock made in China. So, I know we all love these and are so custom and keen to these things. But this one, my friends, is not just a standard old Chinese 40mm padlock. No, no, no. For what this one is, this one's made for ace, folks. That's right. Made for ace. Which means you know it's going to have some spools in it. Or maybe not. Alright, well, we finally got that sucker open. Now we can get this chain off of here. Yeah, this chain had been on this lock. It was a buddy's. And, oh, we finally got it off. So, that's the chain. Here's the ace lock, like I said. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.